Hey everyone, Phil Carrick here from redchilidigital.com, and in today's 60-second video, a quick tip if you're ever thinking about running Facebook ads, okay? Because Facebook at the minute, there's a bit of a purge going on and they're banning ad accounts left, right and center. And myself, I've had plenty banned, okay? Now, here's a top tip. If you are thinking about running Facebook ads, and apologies to the dog, you can probably just see a tail, but if you are thinking about running Facebook ads, here's the thing that you absolutely need to do. You need to warm up your account. What do I mean by that? Well, you need to put up ads that are almost irrelevant, and I know it seems counterproductive, okay, but these are ads like, you know, maybe a quote, and you're just running a traffic campaign so that people can see that quote. Nothing dodgy and nothing too much, because obviously there's a text, maximum text on an ad, but just something like that, or likes to your page, okay? Don't go crazy. Don't go immediately for a conversion objective. A conversion objective on Facebook is taking anybody from Facebook to somewhere else outside of Facebook, either to your website, either to a landing page, an opt-in page. Don't do that, okay? Because you've got more of a chance of your ad account being banned. So warm it up, spend about £50 on irrelevant ads, okay? You'll thank me for it, okay? So do not run a campaign objective or a traffic objective that basically takes people from Facebook outside of Facebook to a landing page. Don't run those first. Warm up your ad account first. You'll thank me for it, I promise you. So I hope you've found that useful, and I'll bring you another top tip tomorrow. Take care.